Not just the body, mental health should equally be taken care of if we want to battle the COVID-19 pandemic, feels Anil Kapoor. The veteran actor took to Instagram on Monday to express the importance of immunity of the mind along with our body. Some mornings are tougher than others. Some days I would rather hide another hour under the covers. But my workout, my fitness regime will still be waiting when I do roll back the covers. That's why our mind plays such an important part in any health drive. The long-term solution to fighting microbes like COVID-19 is not complete isolation or endless disinfecting, but building immunity of the body and mind to fight any such external aggravators, because this is not the first or the last one, he wrote. Emphasizing on why we should give priority to mental health in this situation, he further wrote, "Our mind is the one part of the body we have to work the hardest on, and yet the result of this hard work may not always be manifest to others. There is no mind bicep to flex, no brain six-pack to show off. But mind is what makes the difference to a successful health kick. Every day the first thing I flex is the power of my mind to get up, get rolling, move beyond what obstacles it has placed in my way, remove what clouds of doubt have come over me. If you think you can, you will. If you think you can't, you won't. Either way, you will prove yourself right. So embrace the mind and start your day by first flexing your willpower and your resolve." INS report.